Okay, today or tonight actually is still a Thursday night. It's 5 minutes to 12 a.m. Today is August 25th, 2011. A Thursday night. I'm on the corner of Eastern Parkway. Actually, corner of Eastern Parkway in Utica. Well, I have a lot of work to do when I arrive home. So much stuff is happening. So many things that are happening are things I dreamt about. Like I was at home, I would say an hour ago, and I watched WPIX News with my mother on the ground floor, and the news reporter was talking about this big storm that's on its way, the storm Irene, and that certain parts of New York could have 20 feet of water. And this is right after, this is like a few seconds after, before I told my mother about the 25 feet of water I dreamt about. And then the news people on WPIX is also showing that NYPD is ready with rafters and small boats and the fire department. And I told my mother I couldn't believe it because a lot of dreams that I had pertaining to flood coming to New York showed me people in inflatable rafters. Weird. So when I go home and do all this stuff, probably will be up until maybe 10 in the morning. So this is basically what I'm wearing. There was going to be a hurricane. Bloomberg says around this time, at 9 p.m., the wind should be coming here in New York. It's too quiet. There's no wind. It looks like there's not even any water. I mean, rain. Oh, streets is deserted. Nothing. No bus. Spritzing. That's about it. There's nothing going on here. I'm starting to think that this is a trick. They said all this stuff maybe to bring in things into the city, military stuff. This is one of the worst hurricanes ever, meaning a non-show, a big time non-show. Okay, today is still Saturday, August 27th, 2011. As you see, a little after 9 p.m. Okay, look like the hurricane, supposedly category 4 hurricane, whatever, it was supposed to turn out to become. It's been, looks like, in my opinion, been demoted to just a tropical storm. They're saying tomorrow that up to 3 p.m. We may just get in certain parts some flooding, most likely in the Rockaways or Coney Island. Maybe up to 6 inches of rain. The winds, they say, will come up to 40 or maybe 50 miles per hour. But then they say after 3 p.m. here in New York City, everything more or less gonna start calming down, and it looks like by Monday everything's like gonna go back online, pertaining to MTA transit. I think a lot of people prayed for this hurricane to not to really become a few months still. But right now we are hearing thunder. This is the second time we heard a thunderclap within 5 minutes time. But outside it's raining, but it's not raining cats and dogs. There's no real winds out there that's noticeable. That's about it.
Life-threatening winds.
I should take a video of the little rainwater out there.
No, you asked what the total population that lived in the storm surge zone. That's the population of the storm surge zone.
Okay, so this was going on. It's just rain. It's not pouring down cats and dogs. This somewhat heavy rain. It's really not. There's really no noticeable wind surge, or there's really no wind at all. As you see, the trees are not really moving. Just somewhat heavy rain. Okay, once again, today is August 27th, 2011, a Saturday night, almost 10 p.m. or a little after 10 p.m. To me, recently, the worst rainstorm that have taken place in my presence was the rainstorm and thunder and lightning that I recorded here at Halsey Street, I believe on the 13th, which I have placed that video on YouTube. Okay, the winds from the hurricane supposed to arrive here in New York City at 9 p.m. It will be 90 miles per hour wind. So it's all my shutting off everything.
It's a good time right now to say, okay, everything is safe and sorry. We've been saying this all day. Time is running out. It's going to get dark in a little while, and rains will start getting heavier, and then the winds will make it very difficult and dangerous to be outside. The airports are basically all closed. The Staten Island ferry is still running. It's running on a 1-hour.
So the whole system shut down from the planes to the damn train.
Nobody's showing up at the ferry. We'll continue to do that until later in the day. But
I never experienced this in my entire life. It never happened before, and we should never happen. Because it was never this big. It's a Sunday morning. It's August 28th, 2011, 9 a.m. As you see, this is so-called the aftermath of the hurricane. It's supposed to be more hurricane weather is coming, but it's supposed to do its worst before 3 p.m. and 3 p.m. it's supposed to have like left the area already by 3 p.m. But as you see, more or less the worst of it already have taken place. It's 9 o'clock a.m. This hurricane was a major bust. Like I said earlier, I believe a lot of Christians prayed. I prayed in my heart because I knew the way they was talking about it, like category 4, you talking about something severe. So I guess Bloomberg and everybody else read it the same way like everybody else. Because when you talk about something big like that, you're talking about it could be 1,000 people could be killed for that. Okay, you talking about category 4 in New York City? Oh my God, forget about it.